Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Lulu App. So make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it actually helps me out. So to get started on the simple process on how to send money from your Lulu app, the best thing to do is to download and open the app on your device. So go to the Play Store or Apple Store, then search for the Lulu Money. Then from there, download the app on your device, then sign up if you are a new user, or log in if you already have an account. Then log into your account using your account credential. Then the next step is to add a recipient. So tap on recipient at the bottom, then tap add new recipient, then enter this following information, which is the full name, country, then the bank account details, which is the IBAN or the account number. Then tap on save. Then move to the next stage, which is to start a money transfer. So to start a money transfer, you have to go to home, then tap on send money, then choose the recipient as you just added, then enter the amount you want to send, then select the currency and the country, then review the exchange rate and fee. Then after that, you have to choose how to pay. So to do this, select the payment method, which is payment gateway, pay using debit card, then pay at branch, or book the transfer and pay cash at a nearby Lulu branch. So next thing to do is to confirm and send. So review all the details, then tap on confirm. If you are using card, enter your card infos and complete the payment. If you are paying at a branch, visit a Lulu exchange branch within 4 hours with your reference code. And that's how you can simply send money from Lulu app. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.